Talk Tita to the phone.
Tita. Tita.
Oh, who's that? Lola.
Tita.
Oh, talk to Lola in the phone.
Tita.
Who's that? Lola. Oh, talk to Lola.
Hello.
Hello? 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 Cuckoo? Why Cuckoo? You talk to Cuckoo for what? Cuckoo always here. Talk to Lola.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Lola?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Never answer. Huh? Never answer. Didn't answer, huh? Oh, talk to them. How about Tito? How about Tito? Tito?
Tito.
Puro ha? 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 Puro why always ha? What is your name? Tell them what is your name. Huh? What is your name? Lo bata. What is your name? Uy. Talk to them lah. What is your name? Go, go, go. Hi. Liam don't like that. What is your name? Oh, Mama. Mama did. Oh. Go. What is your name? What is your name? Lian? My name? Go puro ka ha. My name? Uy. My name? My name? Oh. What is that? What is that? Tita, puro tita. Pag tumatawag ako sa kanila, hindi mo naman kinakausap. Ay, naku anak, ano ka ba? Hello? What is your name? My name? Hello? My name? Ito naman parang business talaga yung kinakausap. Business? Big deal? Stand there. You stand there. Why you ask me to stand there? Go stand there. Take your picture, go. Tanga, video. This is video na. Ano ka ba yung mga posing-posing ka pa dyan? Nak, video to. This is not picture, video. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? 2. Very good. 3 yan eh. 2 only. How old are you? 2. How old are you? 2.